Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today I'm just gonna do a really quick video for you guys. I just want to show you guys how to make the TikTok coffee that we all have seen. I know a lot of people have tried to do it and it just comes out all wrong, and honestly I think I got it down and I think I can make it really delicious. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys right now. We're gonna need instant coffee, sugar, hot water, creamer, and milk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 spoons, 1, 2 of coffee, 2 of sugar, 1, 2, and then we're gonna do 2 of hot water, 1, 2. So I'm gonna mix it a little bit. And now I'm gonna use my this thing, I don't even know what it's called, but this is what I'm gonna use. And I just put one of them on because obviously I only need one. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna mix it all. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like super thick. You guys see? So now I'm gonna go and add some ice on my cup. Now I have the ice on my cup, and I'm gonna add some milk. And then I'm gonna add some creamer. Got my straw. And then I'm gonna pour all of this mix inside the coffee. This is really messy and it's really sticky, but it's worth it. It tastes so freaking good. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it with a spoon. It's a little hard to mix, but once you get it done, it's so worth it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more milk, creamer. I think you just have to keep messing with it until you get it how you like it. It doesn't look as pretty as the ones on TikTok, but that's because when they pour the coffee on top, they just leave it like that, and that's the picture they take. But you're supposed to actually mix it, because if you don't, then you're just gonna taste the milk on the bottom. So you are supposed to mix it. So this one's ready. Now I'm gonna add my straw. Oh my god, it's so delicious. I swear, it tastes like a really expensive coffee. Alright guys, well that was all for this video. I said it was gonna be really short because I just wanted to show you guys really quick how I make my coffee. It's really good. You guys should try it. Let me know in the comments if you guys try it, or send me pictures or videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.